All right, we're back. I got to do this a little bit quick because market does open in a minute, but I am bullish on the day. As of right now, we're just trending back towards all-time highs. Even though we are respecting this 4-hour gap, it's just we're literally just pumping. We're in an obvious buy model right now. Inverse this daily gap, just distributing through all these bullish gaps. The only bearish gap we're respecting currently is this 4-hour, and then the 1-hour. We did inverse this gap. We also inversed this gap, like a higher time frame AMD. We're kind of in this distribution phase right now. We are SMTing these highs, so ideally I would just want a long to this buy side liquidity right here. As you can see, we're SMTing these highs. What I want to see it open is us to push lower into this 15-minute gap right here, even though it's baby. It's also equilibrium. Equilibrium is like right here, so if we can retrace into that, it's also a 30-minute gap, as well as ES has a 30-minute gap. It does not have a 15, but sweep out these 15-minute lows, 9th lows. Hit equilibrium, preferably, just for whatever, and then get some sort of long off of that. We are so far break even on the week. So, our market opens now. We shall see. Yes, does have a 5-minute. Do we have a 5-minute? No, we actually inversed our 5-minute. It's a good little rejection wick, though. Off of nothing, though. Just gonna pump. Well, we basically manipulated into this 5-minute, maybe. Oh, dude, ES reswept a 15-minute low. Well, now we're just going to pump. Move this. Damn. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. 30-minute gap. Oh my gosh, I'm not cooking. I didn't get any entry anyway. I could just look for a cont now. I'm so dumb. I forgot there was a 30-minute. Even though that there's not even an entry, there might be a 15-second. Not even a 15-second. If you want to take a 15-second change in state. But I don't know. We will wait for a cont. We still have London high, even though it's SMT, but we still have London high intact, and then we also have all-time highs intact, which I will mark out. I have a feeling we're just going to go right back to there like I've been the last couple months. Completely forgot that there's this 30-minute gap. This is textbook, though. Literally didn't hit equilibrium, but we did hit the 30-minute gap. I bet you ES hit equilibrium, though. ES didn't even hit equilibrium, but either way, I don't need that for my trades. I like to see that. Come on. SMT'd. 30-minute gap. ES just took its external draw. There is this 1-hour gap on ES, so that is a thing. We shall see if we get a cont of some sort. Bro, I'm wired right now. I've had nothing but coffee this morning, and I am wired. Good potential for a 5-minute gap to open up. I knew that this was going to happen, and this is what I wanted to see happen, but we just didn't get an entry, and sometimes it just be like that, man. Guys, right now I just have to play for the cont. Hopefully a cont opens up, or wait for a 15-minute to open up, or whatever. Ideally, though, get a cont, and then I think I'm just gonna target a 1-to-1 if I get it. We're already SMTing London. Both pairs are still roughly correlated, so not too worried about that. But right now we're developing a little bit of 1-minute structure. It's a strong 1-minute or 15-minute candle. I heard this quote yesterday, not quote, but I heard this thing about trading is you don't get paid to trade, you get paid to wait. And it's like, it couldn't be truer. One thing that I've learned this week is there's been a couple of A+ setups, really good setups, after either I've taken my trades or I've taken a loss or whatever. And you never know that those are going to come, but I think that delayed gratification of any sort is never a bad thing, and you'll never regret delaying gratification or delaying anything in your life, and this week has definitely shown. Like I said, I'm break even on the week. I can't be mad, and that's why today I'm going to try to play a little bit more selective. Don't want to force a trade and then end up regretting forcing a trade going into the weekend. I'm either going to enter the weekend break even on the week, or I'm going to enter the weekend knowing that I followed my rules and either took another dub or took a loss. As of right now, though, I'm just going to sit on my hands. ES has hit this 1-hour gap, but I believe we're already displacing through this 1-hour gap. I don't know. I'm not too worried about it, to be honest. I do think that the draws are higher. We'll mark these highs out, though, this 1-hour high. I think we just want to go back to all-time highs. This is just one big buy model. Just literally one big buy model. All right, this 5-minute opened up. We'll see if we want to retrace lower and hit this 5-minute. Right now we're just pumping, so we shall see. I don't mind us pumping, but let me join you. I also just realized that I'm on MNQ And we didn't even hit that on NQ, that 30-minute gap. So that's not even sponsored. We're just ripping. Well, that kind of changes things. And we did re-sweep this 15-minute low on ES. That kind of changes the complexity of things. I think I still take a 5-minute con. I don't know. If I got good structure off this 5-minute, I will take it. But we didn't hit this on NQ. On NQ, you can see we didn't hit this. On MNQ we did, which is weird. We're in this 5-minute. Wicked CE. I lied, we didn't wick CE. It just does it on MNQ. That's why you gotta chart on NQ and execute on MNQ. Yeah. I don't mind this. I don't like the fact that we're hesitating to close through this 1 minute. A good 5-minute candle though. It'll be a pretty quick break even if ES takes the swing. I don't like that. I think I'm gonna fade it. Plus it's technically not sponsored, so we're gonna ignore that trade idea. I don't like the fact that we're hesitating to this gap. Plus it's gonna be a quick break even. ES is gonna take this swing if it does pump higher. So it's just, I don't know. Gotta sit on the hands, man. We did re-sweep inside this 15-minute or 5-minute. So now we have an initial mitigation sweep. Didn't hit CE the 5-minute, but we got a little bit of better 1-minute structure now. I think that I would take this. Or we're just going to push lower. Now we've actually wicked CE though. So that's cool. We're just displacing through this now. I don't like that. And the 15-minute has disappeared. That sucks. Well, now genuinely my only trade idea that I have is we push lower and actually hit this 30-minute gap, because this 30-minute gap was not even hit on either pair. Hopefully that's what we're doing. We're just generating liquidity to then push back higher. But this wasn't even hit. So if we look on NQ, this gap is still open. So I'm hoping that we're just pushing lower, generating liquidity. Isn't a 1 hour going to form? Well, 1 hour is going to form. This could be good. Hopefully we just keep chopping lower. I'm going to go rock a piss. Oh my goodness gracious. Maybe this is just like a mini sell model to then push back higher. 1 hour gap will open at 10. So could be good. Just got to sit on your hands. Fuck. Bare minimum, I'm waiting until 10 a.m. now. It was less than 5 minutes, and I'm really just hoping that 10 a.m. clears up. We do have a 10 a.m. yellow folder. I don't think it's going to do much, but you never know. This would be a pretty strong 4 hour close, and this 1 hour gap will open at 10. So let's see what 10 a.m. does here. Whoa. Big little volatility spike. We shall see, man. Boogie, come here. Come here, monkey. Come here, babies. Come here. I need you to bless the chart. Whoa, thank you. As soon as I showed Boogie the charts, volatility kicked in. That's how it should always be. Come on, just a little bit lower. Make him go lower, Boog. Go lower. Come down, hit this 1 hour, sweep these 15-minute lows. Could be pretty good, man. It could be pretty good. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. Alright, we did hit this on NQ, just not on MNQ. We're SMTing it currently. It's either going to be this 1 minute or this 2 minute. Going to be this 2 minute. 3 minute will open up in 2 minutes. It's going to be this 2 minute, or we're going to re-sweep this, and then ES hits the 1 hour as well, which I'm fine with. I'm fine with that. And we have true manipulation, but don't necessarily need it. We're just SMTing it currently. Now it would be this 3 minute that I got to wait for. 4 minute will open up in 2 minutes. The 5 and 4 minutes. Let's re-sweep. We re-sweep. ES hits the 1 hour. This is gonna rip, and there won't be an entry. This is literally gonna be fucking textbook. But I'm gonna have to take a 4 minute, which isn't necessarily bad. So hopefully we close up this 5 minute though. So part of me wants to take a 30-second change in stake. I know it's gonna rip. But if it's gonna rip to my DOL, it'll inverse this 4 minute. Just close up this 5 minute. If we had this 1 minute on NQ, I'd rip this. Oh, you love it. Need some volatility ASAP. I don't want to have to take this 5 minute. It's a very strong wick. So this 5 minute is going to open up. I don't like 5 minutes necessarily. This 5 minute inverses. It'll be a pretty strong 15-minute candle closing. A part of me wants to play it like, okay, let's say the 5 minute inverses. Wait for like a retrace into like another gap and then take the entry. It's just like, I don't know. I want to get in the move. If I'm going to take a trade, I don't want to wait. That's why I don't take limit orders or shit like that. I'm going to get in the move. It's looking decent though. This is probably one of the better looking 5 minutes in my opinion. Typically I don't like them, but well, I don't like that. Maybe we get an SMT re-entry. Yes, resweeps. Don't like that. I need some serious volatility for this to enter this. Okay. I think as of right now, it's resweeps. Equal lows? I don't think they are equal lows. I don't know, man. Price does really weird stuff sometimes. Still want to take this 5 minute. It's just weird how we're holding this area price. That's still a pretty strong rejection off that 1 hour. What I like is on NQ, we mitigation sweep, and then push higher. That's what I like. Just chopping right now. Won't cap to you. Either want to take this 5 minute or re-sweep on ES, take out these equal lows right here. ES has re-swept these equal lows. I don't know, this is pretty chopped, won't lie to you. Okay, I'm in this 1 minute. I'm just gonna target this right here. Come on now. And then it rips to this 15 minute first. So that's pretty much, whoa, what I'm targeting. But pretty much we're still respecting this 1 hour gap. And then we push lower and hit this new 15 minute gap. I don't know. I just really think that we want to go this high right here. This is the 15 minute gap. I'm pretty much targeting the high that will be the 15 minute gap on ES. So we shall see. If bullish, we're going to be bullish right here. So we shall see. I think I went in with 5 contracts. So I'm appropriately risked. Let's see here. We shall see, man. I do like that we have inverse. There's a 2 minute gap right here on NQ. So I'm glad that we inversed that. We shall see. Don't really know if I have a break even point. I mean, if ES hits the 15 minute before we get to this high, then I would obviously go break even. But as of right now, don't really have a place to go break even at. There's not even. We shall see, man. Go. Do I gotta grab Boog? Where's Boog at? Come on, Boog. Make the markets, man. Make them go higher. 10:30 will open in 20 seconds. Come on, go higher, man. All right, we inverse this. There's a 2 minute on NQ, and we did inverse it. So that's good. As of right now, it looks like we're the leading pair. It's a great 15 minute close. Part of me is like, okay, if this closes as a high and then we go back above this high, do I want to see us return lower? I don't know, but I don't want to get emotional and go break even. I'm going to let my trade play out. Can't tell if we're leading. Hopefully we just flush out. So it's like 10 a.m. opens, pushes lower, and then 10:15 opens, pushes lower, and then we end up hitting a new 15 minute gap. We're already inside of a 1 hour gap. I don't know. I like the trade. Go. We shall see. Yes. Did something. Stay disciplined. Don't get emotional. Don't emotionally break even. You got a stop loss in place for a reason. You got to take profit in place for a reason. There's risk parameters for a reason. So it's just you got to stay disciplined. It's about a 1.2 R trade. So I'll make a little bit over 500, I think. Maybe 550, maybe closer to 6 possibly if this hits. So, and then once ES hits the 15, then we'll go break even. But I think if it hits the 15, we'll TP. We might even just TP before it hits the 15. If it keeps leading like this. Boog, where'd you go? We got Frank this time. Come on, Frank. Make it go higher. Come on, Frank. Come on, Frank. Go, baby. Go. Flush out. You got like 5 more ticks. I can't let you go, Frank, until it hits TP. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. It's right there. Really? Come on. Bah. Bro, it's right there. Come on, go, baby, go. There we go. Bang, TP. What a great way to end the week. Stay disciplined. So yeah, just to recap, we pushed into this 1 hour gap, and then we started just to push lower. Had all this slanted liquidity. We ended up hitting a fresh 15 minute gap down here. And then we also SMT'd that gap, I believe. It was already hit on ES previously, but we SMT'd the gap, already inside of a 1 hour gap. I was just so bullish on the day. I know we want to push higher. We're literally just in this buy model. I wouldn't be surprised if we run higher and then even pass that to like back to all-time highs. But so we push lower, resweeping all of this. 1 minute inversion. That's my trade. Good execution. Made about 600 on that. So great way to end the week. I'm now up on the funded, or on the funded. I'm up on the eval now, up on the week. Started the week down 890, ended the week up roughly 300 now. So what a great comeback. Stay disciplined on the week. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe, please like. It does help me out a lot. But yeah, that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.